Jana usiku mwendo wa saa 7
borithi ni macokanĩrĩirie mĩgwĩri ĩrĩa ĩrĩkana ĩhakĩtwo thumu na ĩrĩa ĩkoretwo ĩkĩhũthĩrwo nĩ gĩkundi kĩa ekinaĩ kĩrĩa kĩagithĩtie aikaria matũra mamwe ma Nakuru thayũ.
So our officers while on patrol in that village, in a village called Kwamaiko, that is in Beirut location, they spotted some young men who are maybe possibly waylaying anybody by the roadside, and because my officers were not in uniform at that time, they opted to attack the officers without knowledge, and the officers fired in the air as a warning shot for them to surrender.
Mbũtũ ya borithi nĩtabanĩtie mũngũrũri ũrĩa ũrĩkĩrĩirie na ndũgamano yao na Ekũĩrwo, borithi na mĩcinga na Ekũĩrwo na mĩguĩ.
These 5 arrows are highly poisonous. This is what was being thrown into police. So we had no any alternative other than to do what exactly we were supposed to do, and that is to put them down. Yes.
No ona kũrĩ ũguo, amwe a Ekũĩrwo nĩ marahotire gwĩthera mena nguraro cia rithathi. Mũingĩ wa Nakuru na kaunti iria iriganĩtie makĩũrio maikare mecemba na makunyanĩre arĩa othe mekuona na nguraro cia rithathi.
In fact, 4 were fatally injured, and another maybe 3 or 4, the number we could not really establish properly. They ran into the maize plantation and with gunshot wounds. We were able to recover all these weapons, and in the process we realized that so much drugs in the name of cannabis sativa, this is all bangi, was planted around there.
Kulingana na komanda wa borithi kaunti ya Nakuru Peter Mwanzo, gĩkundi kĩu nĩkĩo kĩrĩga kũraga mũtumia ũrĩa wonekire itũra rĩa Barut thikũ 2 hĩtũku na mũthuri wa ũkũrũ wa mĩaka 48 na nginyagia rĩu mwĩrĩ wa mũtumia ũcio ndũrĩ ũrakũrĩkana.
So far this morning I understand some have opted to surrender to police, and I encourage that they should surrender and become of good manners, because we are not going to tolerate them anymore.
Mũngũrũrio wa gwethana na amemba angĩ a gĩkundi kĩu no ũrathiĩ na mbere. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Jenga Wambui.